Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by removing basic blockers. Flip the silent switch off and press the side volume buttons to raise the ringer volume. Alarms follow the ringer level. Next, open Settings Sounds and Haptics and push ringer and alerts toward the top so the system will play alarms louder. Once done, make sure Focus or Do Not Disturb is off, and Bluetooth is disabled if your iPhone might be sending sound to headphones or a speaker. This prevents the alarm from playing at low volume or elsewhere. You now fine-tune the alarm itself. Open Clock, tap Edit on your alarm, and pick a robust sound. Some tones are naturally louder due to waveform and attack. You can also select a high-volume song from your library. Music often plays louder than soft tones. Once done, use multiple alarms spaced a few minutes apart or choose a tone with increasing volume so the phone escalates sound. If you need more control, consider the Bedtime/Wake tool or a trusted third-party alarm app that offers custom gain or louder profiles. You finish by verifying changes and resolving residual problems. Restart the iPhone, set a quick test alarm at full ringer volume, and listen. This confirms software changes. If it remains quiet, disconnect Bluetooth and remove any case that might muffle the speaker. Try pairing with an external speaker for comparison. If sound is still weak, reset settings as a last software step or contact Apple support. Hardware issues like a clogged or damaged speaker can reduce alarm volume and require repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.